Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Erdina Sofia binti Jalani. So me and my team members will present the challenges in managing a company with rapidly changing technology development with the company we chose, that is Espresso Sendirian Berhad. So first, I will start with the introduction of the company. So Zeus Precious Sindran Berhad is actually known as Zeus Coffee that was established in August 2019 with the main office in Shah Alam, Selangor. Zeus Coffee opened its first ever outlet in Kuala Lumpur city centre, starting as a small kiosk. And the brand is actually known for its commitment to halal certified products, where they ensure all its foods and beverages are certified halal by Jakim. This include the sources of its ingredients from halal certified suppliers such as coffee beans, milks, syrups, and other components used in its beverages and foods. Other than coffee-based beverages, Swiss Coffee also sells pastries, sandwiches, and hot meals. Despite the challenges in early years of its launch of this company, that were marked by the COVID-19 pandemic, they quickly adapted by focusing on the grab and go model that are more convenient to both the company and the customers at that time till now. By the end of 2024, Sus Coffee already operates over 550 outlets across Malaysia and 600 regionally. So this is the organizational chart of the Zeus Presos Sundan Berhad. This chart shows the structure of the team management for the company of Zeus Presos Sundan Berhad, with the Steffi Fong as the Vice President of Marketing and Growth, followed by Vernon Tian, which is Chief Operating Officer. Next is Kian Tiao, that is Business Development Manager of Zeus Coffee, followed by Ting Yao, Chief Design Officer, Musfira Mustafa, Senior Executive Human Resources, and lastly Garbil Chang as the Tax Manager of Zeus Coffee's Myanmar.
Now that we know a bit about Swiss Coffee, let's take a closer look at the technological implementations or changes made by Swiss Coffee. First of all, Swiss Coffee has introduced a mobile app that enhances convenience for customers. With this app, customers can order in advance, customize their drinks, and do scheduled pickups to avoid long queues. This app also provides a loyalty program where the customers can earn points for every purchase to keep them coming back more often. Next, Zeus Coffee has partnered with NextBillion.ai using the Distance Metrics API and Location SDK. They ensure accurate delivery address, reducing errors and also delays. This partnership allows Zeus Coffee to improve its counter to couch delivery to make sure customers get their orders quickly. Additionally, Zeus Coffee used cloud-based data analytics to gain valuable insights into customer behavior, store performance, and inventory levels. By leveraging platforms like Google Cloud and AWS, Zeus Coffee can make better data-driven decisions about menu adjustments, promotions, and inventory management. This helps the company optimize resources and avoid both stockouts and overstockings. Lastly, to improve the quality of its coffee and speed up service, Swiss Coffee use smart coffee machines and barista assistant technology, where these technologies helps to make sure that each drink is made consistently and efficiently, minimizing the human errors during busy hours and improving overall service.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dia Batrisha and I am going to talk about three positive impacts and three negative impacts of Swiss coffee. So I am going to talk about the positive impact first. So the first positive impacts of Swiss coffee is process efficiency. So like one of my teammates have mentioned earlier, Swiss coffee has developed an application for customers to order directly from their smartphones. And this development has actually increased Zeus coffee process efficiency. This is because automated systems can minimize time and also reduce mistakes when taking customers' order. And this actually allows employees to focus more on important tasks like the quality of the product, like their pastries and also their coffee. And as a result, as they like make better use of both machine and employees, this makes the operation run more smoothly. The second positive impact of Zeus Coffee is data-driven decision making. So actually, Zeus Coffee uses data analytics to make decisions. There are two ways how they use this data analytics. The first one is they use data analytics to customize its offering based on the customer's preference, and this actually helps them to remain relevant and attractive across different regions because it allows them to tailor their products and also services to meet the unique taste and also regions and needs of each regions. Besides that, Zeus Coffee also use data analytics to predict demand, ensuring they stock the right amount of products and also reduce waste. And with like these inventory management and control, Zeus Coffee can save costs and provide customer with a consistent and also a reliable experience. So the third positive impact of Zeus Coffee is practicing sustainability and waste reduction. So Zeus Coffee actually commit to sustainability by practicing these three sustainable development goals, or in short form we call it as SDG, in their operation. So their practice is SDG 8, SDG 12, and also SDG 13. SDG 8 focus on decent work and economic growth, while SDG 12 is focus on responsible consumption and production, whereas SDG 13 focus on climate action. For example, if I give you a few example, in their packaging, they use like this 100% biodegradable, turtle friendly rice straw, and besides that, they also offer a plant based milk that is scientifically better for the consumer's health and also the environment. I think that is all for the positive impacts. So let's move on to the negative impacts. Okay, here are the negative impacts. So the first negative impacts of Swiss coffee is competition and market pressure. So as we all know, there are a lot of coffee shops operating in Malaysia, right? There's Starbucks, there's H&C Coffee, and there's a lot more. And since there are a lot of competitors competing for the market share, Swiss coffee can be affected by it if they don't come up with good strategies to stand out and also differentiate themselves from other competitors. So Zeus Coffee needs to make smart decisions, moves, and even strategy to avoid falling behind from other competitors. For example, maybe Zeus Coffee can lower its price to attract more customers. So the second negative impacts of Zeus Coffee is inflexibility in handling unexpected situation. So in this like fast-paced moving world, this coffee needs to be quick and flexible in handling urgent situations like increased demands, supply disruptions, or even ingredient shortage. Because if they fail to respond quickly, it would cause like delays and also it would automatically reduce or lower the customer's satisfaction. And this consequently can impact negatively both customer experience and also the company's growth and profit. The third and last negative impact of Swiss Coffee is negative customer reviews. Bad reviews like poor service or low quality products can actually harm Zeus Coffee's brand image, causing them to lose loyal customers. And at the same time, it can also discourage new customers to try Zeus Coffee. So to avoid this situation, Zeus Coffee can collect customers' reviews through like surveys, like or even social media to identify these issues early and make improvement from those reviews. So I think that is all for the impacts. Thank you very much.
Next, we have conclusion. Despite a late start in 2090s and being unfortunate enough to have started during troubling times, Zeus Coffee has managed to accomplish what many can only hope to achieve in their businesses by continuously learning to improve their business tactic to focus on sales increasement and also customer satisfaction. Zeus Coffee has pushed itself to be one of the highest grossing coffee chains company in Malaysia. From adapting to different challenges such as difficulty in ingredient requirement or losing title to other rival businesses to making innovation like creating a well-designed apps to fit the needs and wants of every customer. This precious syndrome heart has shown itself to be a remarkable example of business can be if one set the right mind to do something by understanding how tough the challenges can be and still having the perseverance to push forward regardless of what's to come.
And lastly was recommendation. And the first recommendation is employer need to invest employees training and development, which is employer can provide necessary training to the employees. For example, like sending the employees to the online training or workshop so that they can adopt to the new software, and also they can reduce mistake rate on the working. Okay. Okay, next is build a strong team, which is employer need to hire employee that have similar expertise in that field so that they are able to work together, and also they can handle new technologies, for example like artificial intelligence, or we call it AI. They also can encourage the other team members to share their ideas and can work together to solve the problem. Next is leverage influencer marketing and ambassador, which is Zeus Coffee can collaborate with the influencer that have a loyal follower and many follower. For example, like Zeus can give some product review to the influencer, and the influencer need to give the honest feedback to the Zeus Coffee so that Zeus can make the improvement. And the influencer also can make a interesting post about the menu so that the post can attract more follower to come to the Zeus Coffee and dine in and try the food or drink there. And lastly, establish clear relationship, which is they need to set clear goal and objective so that they can work together to achieve the objective. Leader also need to be a good role model so that the other worker can follow what's the best for them. So there are a lot of ways to overcome challenge in managing a company with rapidly changing technology developments. Employers need to cooperate with the employees to solve the problem before it getting worse and will affect the company in the future. Thank you.
That is all from us. Thank you for listening.